Hello everybody, this is another computer networking tutorial 2 by Farman. In this tutorial we are focusing on a host device which has wireless adapters with wireless routers. Our main focus in this tutorials will be the wireless adapters. We're trying to not explain anything about the routers yet or their connectivity with the router. We'll keep it for the tutorial 3. Okay, let's go to the next slide. The type of wireless adapters. We've got multiple types of the common types of the laptop wireless adapters. The first one is a laptop wireless card, or a mini laptop wireless card, and with USB adapters and standard desktop wireless card. What's the laptop wireless card? A laptop wireless card, or we could also call it a laptop network adapter, joins a laptop computer to a network. The adapter is a device approximately the size of a credit card. This adapter contains a very small built-in Wi-Fi antenna, which is around about here, and to provide wireless capability. It also features built-in LED lights to display the device status. This adapter is inserted into a laptop computer. They typically protrude a small amount from a side of a computer, which this allows the Wi-Fi antenna to transmit without interference. So useful for the old type of laptops. Hardly you could find any modern laptops to have slots for these devices, because normally the modern laptops comes with built-in or embedded wireless adapters, which we can see in the next slides. They're called mini laptops wireless cards. It's here, which you can see the Intel. This is made by Intel. This is the motherboard of a laptop. If you carefully open the laptop, you can see this wireless adapter, which has been built, or in majority of them is actually embedded on a laptop's motherboard. This does exactly the same as the laptop wireless cards. The one slides into the slots of the old laptops, but instead of being slide into a slots, it's actually embedded on a laptop, and it does. There's no need to remove it unless there is a faulty or problems with it. Okay. There is another type which is called USB adapter. Very useful. I am using it on one of my desktop. It actually has lots of benefits. One of them is because it's using USB ports, and every computer has a, or I would say modern computers has a USB port. If your laptop or a desktop computer, in majority of the cases your desktop computer hasn't got a wireless adapter, typically for desktop computers, you could use this USB and hook it up to one of the USB ports, and after you install the driver for it, it will transmit the data from your router without any problems. We've got the standard desktop wireless card. This comes with an antenna as well, which is leading from outside a desktop. This wireless card or wireless adapter is actually slots into the PCI ports on the motherboards of the desktop computer. To install this, you have to open up a computer. Let's have a look at the motherboards of a desktop computer. You have to open up the computer and put the golden shiny area of the card into one of these ports, which they called PCI slots. Then part of the antenna, network adapter, which is the antenna, will be heading out or facing out from a tower. That will enable the computer, the desktop computer, to transmit data for you wirelessly with the wireless routers if you have one at home. I am coming to the end of these tutorials. This is the references I have used for this information. You could have a look at them, put them in your URL, and yourself go and do further research if you like to. As I advised you in the previous tutorial, please do follow the chronological order of the tutorials in order to not miss out the basic and important and essential part of the tutorials for computer networking. If we go back and review what we've studied earlier, we actually gone through the laptop wireless cards, the size of them, how they could be installed on your laptops, and we have said they're not common nowadays unless you have old laptops. The mini laptop wireless cards are not something you usually come across directly, but they are embedded on your motherboards, and it's something you have to take into a great consideration. They exist and they're in your computer. We've got wireless adapters. We've talked about it and how useful it is to be used with either desktop computers or on laptops if they haven't got a wireless adapters built in on their motherboard, or possibly they have problems. The standard desktop wireless cards also used specifically for desktop computers, and we've shown a PCI slots for the card and the way you can install them. I'm leaving you here until the next tutorials. I hope you go through this in more details, and I hope you're having a great time with it. Thank you very much. Bye.